Hi everyone, this is Kimberly Dixon with Joyful Living. I am on my way to the workout room, but I wanted to try out my new body camera. I purchased this camera so that I could use it on my hiking ventures, and I'm going hiking next weekend, but I wanted to give it a try first to see how to operate it and figure out which buttons do which functions. I'm not tech savvy at all, so I like to give things a try before I actually put them in use. So I am out. It's a beautiful day. It's in the upper 40s now, but it's supposed to get near 60 degrees today. As you can see, the sky is perfectly clear. It's gorgeous out here. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but the birds are singing in the background, and this is my kind of living. Just see if you can take it all in. Well, you probably don't hear anything other than the HVAC unit running there, but giving things a try to see how to work this. And as many of you know, I have bilateral knee replacement, so it's not going to be a steady walk. So whenever I am filming anything with this, it is going to be probably jumpy, but that's okay. I'm happy to be able to walk it all, so jumpy, sideways, backwards, whatever you give it, I'm happy about it. So just enjoying the moment, take it all in. This is not the most scenic route that I'm on today, but I always enjoy being in nature. Doesn't matter whether I'm on a city sidewalk or an asphalt parking lot. I enjoy being outside. My favorite place is to be is in the middle of the woods somewhere, and I will get to experience that on next weekend when my GPS to Joy hiking and meditation group heads out for our next venture. We try to do a monthly hike, weather permitting. I don't mind hiking in the rain or cold for that matter, but this group is for not so much for the exercise, but for the teaching people to reconnect with nature and just enjoying being outside. But many of the people are new to outdoors, so weather has a big impact on them and their perception of the experience. So if it's frigid cold or raining a lot, we'll postpone them. But when it comes to me, unless it's just a torrential downpour, I hike in the rain. I hike in the cold. I hike in the heat. It's all about preparation. If you prepare yourself with fluids and wearing clothes and layering them, you can hike in any conditions. It's all about the gear, proper shoes. That's one thing that I always make sure that I have is a good pair of trail shoes, and then I have boots as well. But I'm almost to the workout room now, so I'm gonna head inside, do a quick workout that my trainer asked me to do this week. Then I'm going to get on with the rest of my day. I have a video shoot, which is actually at Olmsted Park for my book release, and then I'm going to have a massage with my massage therapist. All right, guys, I'm here now. I'll get some footage in just a few minutes of the exercise workout.